Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am gonna be reviewing Garnier's I'm gonna be reviewing Garnier's micellar oil infused cleaning water. Yeah, I have never used micellar water before, but I have heard and read a lot about this product because this seems to really, just magically take off all the makeup from your face. And I'm using this oil infused one, which is a little different from the regular micellar water because it has oil in it. Okay, so I am getting a good feeling about it, but one can never be sure unless one has tried it. So yeah, I'm gonna be trying this. This is gonna be my first impression of micellar water, micellar oil infused cleansing water. It is 400 ml. The thing that I've heard a lot about micellar water is that it's very mild. Like it's very mild, so it doesn't cause any allergic reaction, which might come up if you're using any ordinary cleansing agent. So I think this is the reason why it's so much in rage. Yeah, let's just start with it. Okay, so this is a very heavy look. I don't go outside with this on my face, so I specially put makeup to review this product and make this video for you guys to know how this product really is. So give this video a thumbs up. I don't have a scissor but I have a comb right next to me. I was shooting another video, so I need to have something. Guys, is it just me or the mercury is in constant rise? I mean, every other day is getting hotter and hotter. I can't wait for winters. I mean, I love winters. I mean, if you're feeling cold, you can just layer it up. But when you're feeling hot, you can do nothing. You become vulnerable. Yeah, so I think it's open now. As you can see from the bottle, this has a thick layer of oil, and here they have the micellar water. I'm gonna use my cotton ball because I don't have a cotton pad, so I'm gonna be using cotton ball instead. Oh my god. I'm gonna be clearing one side of my face so that you'll have a better idea of how well it works. Finally, I'm using it. I've been wanting to use this for so long. You guys, it smells so good, which is weird to be honest, because since it's mild, it's for sensitive skin, it should not have any scent, right? What is this? What kind of sorcery is this? How can it smell nice and still be for sensitive skin? Okay, let's just give it a shot anyway. Okay, I've put water here, you can see. Now I'm gonna be wiping my face. Okay. To be honest, it's not. I thought it would be like you just put the cotton ball and the makeup would be, like your skin would be all clear, the makeup would vanish. But you have to put effort, like you have to rub it. It's not as smooth as I thought it would be, which is kind of disappointing. I was hoping I'll just put the cotton pad over my eyes and the makeup would just get absorbed. So I don't know, I have to put like effort, which is not cool. As you can see, I applied Lakme's long-lasting kajal, and I don't think so it's getting properly cleared up. Okay, so I'm gonna remove the lipstick now. Okay. Oh, the good part, the lipstick is coming off very smoothly. I've applied matte, which is not so easy to take off, it's coming out to be fine. Like, it's smooth. Lipstick is coming out very smooth, which I like. But then again, you have to like rub it, so the bummer. So I look retarded. I look so crazy here. But you guys, this is the difference you can see. So it has removed all the makeup, and still I don't think the kajal is properly removed. I'm trying, but it's not going. It's not getting off my face. It's still there, but it's still lighter. So that means I still have to wash my face using my cleanser. So I thought I could just skip that. Now I'm gonna clean the other side. I think I'm gonna use the same thing because no, I have to change because that's lipstick in it. I can't use this one, otherwise it would be disastrous. My god. Oh wait, I just realized one thing. When I'm putting water, I mean the oil is not coming. It's just the water which is coming. You guys, see, if I'm doing this, the oil is going at the bottom, which means there was no oil in that. Ah yeah. Now I get it. Maybe this side will get easily cleaned up. I have to, I guess, shake it off. I have to shake it off. Shake it off. I'm a Taylor Swift fan, you guys. So you have to bear it. Okay. Let's see how easily I will take it off. My ex-man got his new girlfriend. I was like, oh my god. Look, I'm just gonna shake it to the fella over there with the hella good hair. Won't you come over, baby? We could shake, shake, shake.
Stop singing!
Told ya I'm a Taylor Swift fan. Told ya. Warned ya. Okay, so I've got micellar water in my eyes. What's wrong with me? I think it's mild, so it should not cause any irritation, but I'm scared. I'm scared, you guys. I don't want to go blind. The things I do for the video. You guys, show me some love. Please subscribe to my channel and stay updated. Be my friend. Ow. Ow, it really hurts. Now it hurts. Despite being it mild, it really hurts. But I'm gonna anyway go with it. The kajal and the mascara is not going, and the reason why I bought this product was for these two things only. I was hoping that there's lipstick on my eyebrows. That's crazy. You guys, as you can see, this is after using micellar water. So my face is all cleaned up, feeling all fresh and nice, and I don't know. So yeah, this was my review. I think this is a good product, but I think I'm gonna try the original one as well. And this one is okay, but it makes no sense. It can't get dissolved, so you have to like shake it vigorously, and then you have to pour it. You have to pour it quickly on the cotton pad. It was not able to remove any mascara or any eyeliner. I had to rub it nicely. Then only it was able to come off, and that too not very well. I still have to wash my face. So overall, it's a good product, but I'm not sure whether I'll be a religious user. I can just use this and get my lipstick off my lips. So that's all for the review today. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I love you all. Bye bye. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye. If you want me to keep on posting, you gotta subscribe, man, so that I know if you are liking my work or not. Otherwise, I'm just talking to a camera. Right? Ciao, adios, I'm done. Bye. Bye.